Na-clutter dyan sa remark. Ako may taga, kaya ako.
Okay, good morning everyone. Today is a preliminary conference of the six projects. We have here project with ID number 24HC0062, construction completion of multi-purpose building, Barangay CORAZON, San Miguel, Bohol. EBC 1,950,000, duration 99 calendar days. We have also 24HC0063, completion of multi-purpose building, Barangay LILOAN, INABANGA, Bohol. EBC 4,950,000, duration 188 calendar days. The other one is 24HC0064, from the king of Barangay San Miguel to Barangay BABAG, from the Market Road, Barangay San Miguel and Barangay BABAG, DAGOHOY, Bohol. EBC 14,925,000 pesos, duration 88 calendar days. We have also 24HC0065, converting of Barangay Sikatuna, farm to Market Road, Barangay Sikatuna, Talibong, Bohol. Location in INABANGA, Bohol. ABC 14,955,000. Duration is 88 calendar days. Number 5 is 24HC. Report HC 066, rehabilitation, completion of DPW's level 4, DPW's for second district exam office, by Bohol. ABC 1,960,000 pesos, duration 83 calendar days. The last one is 24 HC 0067, completion of multi-purpose building, Sambayan, Bohol. One of these Sambayan, Bohol by specific Western building. Petition Sambayan, Bohol, ABC 9,900,000 pesos, duration 211 calendar days. So, I will give the floor to the planning and design section to discuss all the item of works and the equipment, required minimum equipment to this project. And then to be followed by our procurement engineer. And the next is in this section.
So, yung ito bukas yung turn. Kasi yung program sa building. Building. Kasi kung kailangan ng format na building, hindi lang pa kayo, bilang 1 and 2, lain na po ko. Mas kung may bisiklisa sa ako, mas matapos. Lain na po ka. Ay, buti na po. Ha? Ang sunod gani, ano na mas nabiro, kaya ano na mag-matter of plan na.
Nagkakitimaguan. Huwag ka kabantay o. Nagiging sa patiman, kung isipin sa diyan na.
Sinunod mo. Igual siya kung sa nanood, kinagin mo.
Pero ano itong
Igual sa laman nila. Asa usap siya makutan na? Oo. Kaya nalagay siya nag-process na.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So our first project this morning is 24HC64, converting of Barangay San Miguel to Barangay BABAG FMR, Barangay San Miguel and Barangay BABAG Bohol. So for the allocation of this project is in the DAGOHOY, Bohol. Then the amount for this is 15 million. With a total length of 780 meters PCCP, the width is 5 meters, and the thickness is 0.23. Then we have the total project duration of 88 calendar days, with number of predetermined unworkable days of 10. So for this project, the EO is 0.5%. Let's proceed to the scope of work. So for our scope of work, we have Part A, facilities for the engineer. Item A118, provision of field office for the engineer rental basis, 2.93 months. A1116, operation and maintenance of field office for the engineer, 2.93 months. Next, we have Part B. B point, other general requirements. B.3, permits and clearances. We have one lump sum. B.5, project billboard, signboard, 3 each. B.72, occupational safety and health program, one lump sum. B.81, traffic management, 2.93 months. B.9, mobilization / demobilization, one lump sum. And B.16, recognition plate / project marker, 2 each. Next, for part C, we have earthworks. We have item 103A1, individual removal of trees, small 150 to 300 mm diameter, 8 each. Next is 10318 for structure excavation, common soil, 58.4 cubic meters. Next, we have item 1022, surplus common excavation, 2,116.44 cubic meters. Then lastly, for part C, we have item 1042A for embankment from borrow common soil, 294.35 cubic meters. Next, we have part D, sub-base and base course. We have item 201 for aggregate sub-base course. The quantity is 2,013.18 cubic meters. For part E, we have surface course. Item 3111C1 for Portland cement concrete pavement and reinforced, 0.23 meter thick, 14 days. We have the quantity of 3,900 square meters. For part G, we have item of drainage and soil protection structures. Item 4041A for reinforcing steel grade 40, 18.29 kilograms. Next is item 4051A3, structural concrete, 20.68 MPa class A, 28 days, 0.23 cubic meters. Next, we have item 501A3 for pipe culverts, 910 mm diameter class 2 RCPC. We have 1 lineal meters. Next, additional sir, I don't know sa Next, we have item 50528 for grouted riprap class A, 147.14 cubic meters. And we have stone masonry, which is 75.20 cubic meters. Then lastly, we have miscellaneous structures, item 612.1, reflectory thermoplastic pavement, markings white for 39 square meters. Now let us proceed to the detailed engineering design plan. We have the net length of 0.780 kilometers or 780 meters. Then here is the alignment of the project.
One section nga, sir?
Yes, sir, one section only. We have to begin at 0, then end at 0.780. Then mga to ang summary of project.
Itong ba na to, permits, kung saan yung mga permits na yung video?
Kuan sir, ang permit ani kay na sir, CNC sir, Certificate of Non-Coverage kuan 1,500 ang bayad sa CNC sir.
Sa certificate of non-coverage.
Kay less than 2 kilometers man ang length.
Kung yung mga tourist kuhan,
Kami ang process ani sir.
yung mga permit.
Mga bayad. Then for architectural dissections, we have here the Our width is only 5 meters. Then we have 1.5 shoulder. Then for section width, gravity direct run. Sir. Then, there are atong schedule of quantities for gravity direct run. Then for our section with RCPC, itong additional na one. Then here is the isometric view of the RCPC extension and the gravity. Then detail po sa panel. 600 5.6 ang width sa panel.
So, tertera, ang net na. Gamay.
Magpagkami sa po, 600 na nakapagpagkami sa kuwan.
Ako ko pa 600 ganyan ang. Ako nang iyan, clear opening ba, 30 by 30 CF. 20 by 20 na. 15 mo linis.
Okay na.
So, 30.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
May tamo ko na nga, may project ko niya. Ang original is 60. 90. So, 60 ang net. 60. Ilang ipa ang mataas ng ipagamay. So, na. O, kung humano mo, kung nakamasara ng mga 75 meters, ingong gamay ko, no? Di pa usap na po, di pa na. O, di balik na po ng dako, okay? Kasi,
Saka naman siya sa original terms.
saan mas kidot? Sino na yun na?
Na, kung meters something.
Ha?
Para siguro ni para sa
Sino tayo? Volume ba ito?
damay lang sa
Ang volume. Puwing ko ang volume na. Puwing 27 per meter. Ang total volume.
ang volume
Volume. Ito 405.
405.23.
Ha? 23 cubic?
0.23 cubic.
Hindi, 23. Yung volume ang naman ito.
Kasi sa
Ngayon sa Juan, dalam pagkabiro lang nila, space niya, kondite. Kata ma-apply sa BOQ ba, kailan yung punta na ito volume?
kuan sir. Sa item
Photo of buying.
0.23 cubic meters ram.
Ang site yun na.
Ako lang po tanong ko si
Total volume nga. Oo, saan na siya? Di, 23. 1 meter na.
2 meters.
Ang ito sa para video, so, sa'yo tokon.
I-check lang pag nila ko sir kasi sa Christian mag na programa niya ang nagawa ko sa plan pa si Eman ba niya. To ang butas BIR ko. Hindi sila ko ikanang paanan niya first kasi ako rin ipabasa. Pero sige lang ako lang mga tanong. Hindi na akong sige.
Pulos mo na 0.23, ya, saan na?
Kani, pwede, parehara man ni sir, parehara man ni as per PAO, as per plan,
Hindi, as per plan o as per, ano na?
as per program. I-check lang ako sir. Yes, lang ko lang ito. Kung sa i-kuhanan niyo.
So yung schedule, namin schedule na sa kanya, libo ka naman. Schedule na assistation.
Mura mo gani siya, ang kanal di ani siya, kaya mura mo gani siya kanang extension na ra sa mutlag na existing adto na kanang murag di ko sure kung sa tito yung kanang murag kanang gisupay ra pa kaya para makuan siya.
Umubor na yun?
O mura. O kanang di siya mismo sa alignment sa kasada murag ang okay man murag sa kilid na kanang murag kahugan na po siya sa tubig. Gisupay
One
ra
station,
lang
yung
ang
station. Yeah, to station, 1 meter yan.
1 meter, sir. Kaya mo rin siya ka ng huganan na sa kilid, dito siya sa alignment sir na kanang. Naman, mo lang pag-reflect mo kayo man ganit. Nakakanimuragan, hindi ka niyang ikuan. Murag lateral siya makanang sa ba? Murag ani nga part na siya isumpayan. Ano pa ba sa tikas? Ada nakaninganin yung dito pang dahil na nag-propose 600 mm concrete covered canal extension. More or less yan, isang pala sa pilip. Sa station. Mabuo.
Nag-gap na nag-gamay yan. Tapos bayan ito, kumabot. Nagpuplatan ko makibumpo, kaibot. Kaya bumpo kayo. Wala na mag-cubic meter. Wala nito kay point. Point 27, may volume mo ng atong gapon nila
Kung point,
ang 1 meter kay point 27 may volume.
kung ang parang sa may weight, ano siya, kung point, ito, point 6, or
Pero
point,
okay, katong dako 90 ang
90.
point 45 na volume.
40, 45.
Ilan gawa na mo na. Katong kanang kuan, kung sa termi ka ng cutting of trees, so ang klase na nasa
Camera ka po yung kuan sir. Silbi kanang mas kanang di ko alam man i-apply na ni namo si so kanang magwa na lang mi sa feedback sa din na kung need na mo bayad. Mas yan og kanang mabayaran na din makuha na kasi si matong kung na-i put doon nga kahoy kay matong ipa-inspection sa din na po sir para sa tree cutting permit.
ato naman ang koordinate ko handle like tumugin ko handle
Sa
sa kuana.
planning gapon
Bayan ko na kala sa ating
sa planning gapon sir.
tingnan sa kuano sa road right ko yung position.
Manang
Kasi natulong ko sa iyo. Kalau bisa bindo ya mamong na baru sa iyo. Okay. May dala na.
ay sila yung bayad sir.
Gagayan.
Oh, gapon na sir.
Sige sa kuno.
So, mga kung sa kasalanan na gratitude para ay nalay siya ay karang plate marker sir kay FMR man
Bukan moral game.
sa beginning of sa net. Then ang kanang billboard ay nga ibutangan ni sir is katong billboard ni dapat sa kanang DA.
Mga ngayon ako
Mga
ako.
di ni mauna.
Ay, kaya ako nagba topic ko ba.
Kay mo may diin sa DA nga billboard daw nila nga may logo sa DA ang
Namoy ko na.
na ay naara sir.
Mga ngayon.
Ato lang sa Mamalik kinaunahan na submit niya. Di pa correctionan sa DEO
Standard.
matong giingon sila nga alitan daw katulong sa ilaha. Then mga to katong may marker. Then, mga sila sa perception ay kanang extension, then naapoy grounded trip prop sa ibang section. Then mara to siya sa okay.
Ano po? Plastic. Ako mga isang pino.
Marka, sir. Nakay question, sir, basic. Huwag mo gagawin kang nagkamas plan.
Ano? Plano ka na. Maapi na lahat, di pa.
Ay, naku pa namin siya mo. Pwede na muna rin.
Pwede na yan.
Pangayon. Pero ato lang sa
Sir, okay na.
Oo, napapamahan.
Dili lang tayo sa mga kanang-kanang.
Okay na to, sir.
Kanya ko mo, gusto doon magkita ko sa kuwan.
Okay.
Sa magplano nila.
Pero ito magkita ka na yung mga problema na ito ka ng relation. Di ba?
Pwede na sir. Okay, sa last time namin niya kung mga operation ng content ko.
Hindi man yung kaya.
Hindi ko Then let's proceed to our next FMR project. We have completing of Barangay Sikatuna FMR, Barangay Sikatuna, Talibon, Bohol. So the location is in Talibon, Bohol with the amount of 15 million. Also an FMR project. We have a total length of 780 meters PCCP. The width is also 5 meters and the thickness is 0.23 meters. With a total project duration of 88 calendar days. And for this project also the EO is 0.5%.
Ano sa nalagyan?
EO katong
Engineering ko kayo.
Katong ganyan ang pilato?
Napili mo, 25%.
0.5%.
Ay, pwede 25.
Asa na yung bayan to sa...
Siguro siya ang makuha sa
wala na masuot sa kuwan. Hindi gawa sa professional. Kuwan na daan.
Sabi ang ABC answer is katong minus na sa EO 14,055.
Kaya kuwan na ito, kanang... Di ba na yung percentage ng mobilization? Pila ka?
Ang
Nay, standard na?
Hindi, wala yung bulletin na siguro. Di ba na? Sa kuwan. Lala, hindi ko wala yung sarap.
Wala mo ito sa 1% sa siguro.
ang 1% sa civil work man siya ang pinaka-maximum na sa So, for our scope of work, we have Part A, facilities for the engineer. Item A118, provision of field office for the engineer rental basis, 2.93 months. Item A1116, operation and maintenance of field office for the engineer, 2.93 months. Then we have Part B for other general requirements. We have B.3 permits and clearances, 1 lump sum. B.5 for project billboard, signboard, 3 each. B.7 to occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. Then we have B.81 traffic management, 2.93 months. We have B.9 for mobilization, demobilization, 1 lump sum. And B.16 for recognition plate, project marker, 2 each. For Part C earthworks, we have item 103A1 for individual removal of trees, small, 150 to 300 mm diameter, 30 each. 1022 for surplus common excavation, we have 3,478.60 cubic meters. And 1042A for embankment from barrow common soil, 650.11 cubic meters. For Part B, sub-base and base course, we have item 201 for aggregate sub-base course, 2,028 cubic meters. Part E surface force, item 3111C1 for Portland cement concrete pavement and reinforced 0.23 meter thick 14 days, we have 3,900 square meters. For Part G drainage and slope protection structures, we have item 501E3, 5 culverts, 910 mm diameter, class 2 RCPC, 4 linear meters. And grouted drip wrap, item 5052A, we have 196 cubic meters. And for item 5061, stone masonry, we have 17.73 cubic meters. Lastly, we have Part H, miscellaneous structures. Item 612.1, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white, 26.30 square meters. And for the yellow pavement markings, we have 50.80 square meters. Let's proceed to the detailed engineering design plan. So we have here the operating of Barangay FMR Talibon. So the net length is still 780 meters. Then for the alignment of our project, from our beginning is station 00 to station 780. Then for the typical roadway section, dapat to ang atong width gap is 5 meters, then natin 1.5 na shoulder, natin 200, then nasa tayo section with grouted drip wrap. Then na ay extension po ng RCPC. We have here our schedule for the RCPC. And now we schedule for grouted drip wrap. For the typical of the detailed plan of the grouted drip wrap and slopes. And for the RCPC, then the same ang gamit gihapon nga billboard is katong sa DEO. And also the project marker for FMR. Then we have here our plan and profile for the project. And for the detailed cross section, this is the beginning of the project at 0. For the section with grouted drip wrap from beginning station 0 plus 300. Then mag-end siya at 0 plus 360. Then at 0 plus 342 na ay existing RCPC. Diba? And tapos section array with grouted drip wrap at station 500 to 520. Then at 535 na napoy RCPC existing. Then the end of our project at 780. So that's all for this project. Sorry. Any questions? So that's all for the FMR projects. I will now give you the floor to our vertical projects.
Salamat po.
Itong cluster.
cluster of katong completion sa LILOAN.
Ano yan? Sino? Ako, sila.
So good morning once again. Our project contract ID number 24HC0066. Rehabilitation and completion of DPWH Motor Pool, DPWH Bohol Second DEO by Bohol. Location of by the Bohol. Operation 2 million. Approved budget cost 1,960,000. Project duration 83 calendar days. Number of predetermined 12 calendar days. Scope of works, item number under part 2, other general requirements. Scope of works, item number under part 2, other general requirements, B.51, project billboard signboard, 1H. B.71, occupational safety and health, 1 lump sum. B.91, mobilization, immobilization, 1 lump sum. Under part 3, civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary plumbing works. Part A, earthworks. 801, removal of structures and obstruction, 1 lump sum. 803.18, structure excavation, 0.84 cubic meters. 804.18, encampment from structure excavation, 0.56 cubic meters. 804.7, gravel pit, 18.15 cubic meters. Under part B, plain and reinforced concrete works, 901I, structural complete, plus 8 base, 61.51 cubic meters. 902, 1A1, reinforcing steel, deformed, grade 40, 1,288.63 kilograms. 903, 2, four works and post works, 6.60 square meter. Part C, finishing and assembly works. 1,019, downspout, 1 lump sum. 1,224, old water lines, 1 lump sum. 1,317, carpentry engineering works, file cabinet, hanging cabinet, and underground turret, 1 lump sum. 1,042, finishing hardware, 1 lump sum. 1,010, 1 frames, jam, 1 set. 1,003, 2B, doors, wood panel, 1.68 square meter. 1,027, 1 cement plaster finish, 502 square meter. 1,032, 1A, painting works, masonry complete, 42 square meter. 1,032, 1B, painting works, wood, 5 square meter. 1,032, 1C, painting works, steel, 4.56 square meter. 1,046, 2A1, 100 mm HP non-load bearing including reinforcement steel, 10.50 square meter. 1,047, 3, metal structure accessories, 1 lump sum. Under part D, electrical works, 1,110, conduit boxes and fittings, 1 lump sum. 1,101, 33, wires and wiring devices, 1 lump sum. 1,103, 1, lighting fixtures, 1 lump sum. Under part E, chemical works, 1,202C, ceiling fan, 2 sets. 1,213A, air conditioning, floor mounted light, 1 lump sum. 1,202, 6A1, fire extinguisher, ABC with bracket, 4 sets. Minimum equipment requirement, tile cutter, 1 bagger mixer, complete vibrator, weeding machine, bar cutter, bar blender, cutting outfit, plate compactor, and 1 each. So, muna yung existing sa project namin dito sa compound, motor pool. So, ang scope of works ani kay plastering nasa sa front, dire sa chapel. Kani dire sa chapel at bang dire sa likod o dito sa other side kapit sa neighboring road. Hospitas dyan. And then, kani siya, kay i-close ni siya, niya, plastiran na sila, may butangan niya og door. And then, kani kay kanang slabon field, complete ni tanan buhusan. Kani, plastiran. Unya, dili nga portion, kay nanan ni siya existing nga ladder, mo dili sa second floor, pa doon sa roof, kay continue. So, nanan siya, kanang legal diri sa taas na fire exit. Diri sa interior, mag-provide na diri og file cabinet diri nga part kani ko diri po. And then diri sa pantry nga part, may kani i-close ni siya. And then kani po nabutangan diri og hanging cabinet. Mao din atong perspective. So, diri complete na ni nga part. Yeah, diri nga sa back portion ani kay i-plastering na siya. Wala like anything. Muna ang floor plan, ground floor. Diri muna ang scope. Kay existing naman diri enclosed ni kaning below sa stair. Provide with 6 and then door nga kani major nga solid door. Nga sa mezzanine, second, kay Monique, kani file cabinet, kani, kung nadiri nga portion, and kani kay hanging cabinet, and then diri sa pantry, kay diri under counter o hanging cabinet diri sa sink na part. Nga, Monique ang roof plan, and then diri nga portion, kay mag-provide ka o kanang fire escape ladder. So, muna yung existing sa diri, masumpay ta. Ma-offset na diri sa existing. Muna ang elevation. Ang kaning louver, kaya nagpatag scope, kaya hindi pa kayo ma-load sa budget. Muna ang details sa mga file cabinet. Tulo ka file cabinet nga lain-lain o sizes. And then, hanging cabinet sa pantry. I mean, dapat sa pantry. And direct ako sa sold sa pantry. Wala na siya file cabinet ng office. Yeah, under counter. Yeah, sa slab on field, kani nga portion, mga itong slaban. Kani siya kay existing na. Then, ang kani, not part of scope kay napay incoming project ang butangan siya o lifter para sa mga sakyanan na yung mga nangaguba. Yan diri po na portion kay wala na po di-apel tungod kay sa genset o transformer na trabaho nun. So sila kayo mga. So mga diri lang na scope ang di slab on field for karang na project. So water supply, wala nanay existing nga mga fixtures, then wala pa na ni kanang tubig, wala ni connect lagi kan sa main building, ikan dire. So kadong sa motor pool wala ni connecta. So na provide ta og kanang pipe o mga fix kanang mga pipes o katong mga elbow. O sa money for safety plan, provide niya ni og duha sa ubos sa fire extinguisher na ABC. Nya diri sa babaw kay sa last project nag-provide na sila og kanang fire extinguisher na green color for computers and doon lang additional diri sa second. So that's all for this project. Next.
Project title 24HC0062. Construction, completion of multi-purpose building, Barangay CORAZON, San Miguel, Bohol. Location, CORAZON, San Miguel, Bohol. Appropriation, 2 million. Total project duration, 99 calendar days. Number predetermined 14 calendar days. For total construction cost, 1,980,000. Our EPC is 20%. Under part 2, B.31 permits and clearances for lump B.51 project reward cyber 1 each, B.71 occupational safety and health 1 lump sum, B.24 general scaffolding and shoring 1 lump sum. Under part 3, part A, 801 removal of structures and obstruction 1 lump sum, 803 1A structure excavation common soil 10.15 cubic meters, 804 1A embankment from structure excavation common soil 4.39 cubic meters, 804 7 gravel field 1.36 cubic meters. Under part B, 901I structural concrete columns, footing and beams class A 28 days 10.8 cubic meters. 902 1A1 reinforcing steel, deform grade 40 1,727.65 kilograms. 903 2 formworks and falseworks 83 square meters. Under part C, 1003 11A1 fascia board, fiber cement board 39.04 meters. 1013 2A fabricated metal roofing accessories, pre-painted bridge roll 16 linear. 1014 1B concrete metal strip type long span 0.5 mm thick, 299 square meter. 1027 1 cement cluster finish 81.03 square meter. 1032 1 painting works masonry concrete 81.03 square meter. 1032 1C painting work steel 347.46 square meter. 1047 4B metal structure accessories turnbuckle 64 each. 1047 5A metal structure accessories high tensile anchor bolt and machine bolt 98.65 kilograms. 1047 5B metal structure accessories handled 76.71 kilograms. 1047 5C metal structure accessories cross bracing 259.2 kilograms. 1047 5D metal structure accessories steel plates 646.04 kilograms. 1047 6 structural steel plate truss 4,171.38 kilograms. 1047 8B structural steel purlins 4.212.44 kilograms. Sa minimum equipment, truck mounted crane 1, plate compactor 1, 1 bagger mixer 1, concrete vibrator 1, bar bender 1, bar cutter 1, welding machine 1, cutting outfit 1, electric drill gun 2, hand drilling machine 1, tile cutter machine 1. So, ang mali ang iyang vision map so na siya itong stage kaya kung yan covered parts ang part sa scope ani kay na naman sa existing na column ani upat kaning pikas-pikas kaning butangan tag corbel niya ang roof niya o magkamang taog kanang corridor side So balik ka na naka-black shade ng mga part of scope. Yung roofing, ano na tawag yung scope sa roofing. Kaning iyang dirt side, kanila po tama. Ang roof. Iyang kanang existing na po niya. Provide po tag taibig, balay bakos ni siya na naka-existing. May abot sa kanini ang sunod na igama nga column footing nga dito na siya i-connect pa na siya fluid ito dati yan dito sa tie-beam corbel o footing may roof framing plan ito nag-strap 4 lanes huwag ka ng takas. Details sa mga fascia frame, details sa strap, truss detail, girth, connection, centroid, spacing sa kuan, spacing sa roofing, G-root. Yung sa yung cross bracing connection o kanang marata. Kung meron kayo sa
This is the company number 34HC0067, Project A, completion of multipurpose building sa Bayan, Bohol. Number 1, Barangay San Isidro, Bayan, Bohol. Location, San Isidro, Bayan, Bohol. Appropriation, 1 million. Approved budget cost, 990,000. Project duration, 84 CV. Number of predetermined or unworkable days, 11 CV. So, part 2, item number B.3, permits and clearance, 1 lump sum. B.51, project billboard and signboard, 1 each. B.71, occupational safety and health, 1 lump sum. B.91, mobilization, 1 lump sum. Part 3, civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary plan works. Part 3, earthworks, 8011, removal of structures and obstruction, 1 lump sum. 8031A, structure excavation, 6.75 cubic meter. 8041A, embankment from structure excavation, 4.67 cubic meter. 8047, gravel fill, 0.67 cubic meter. And part B, drain and reinforcement works, 9001I, structural concrete class D concrete base, 6.65 cubic meters. 9021A1, reinforcing steel, form grade 40, 1051.91 kilograms.
1032, formworks and postworks, 23.10 meters square. Part C, finishings and other civil works, 10019, downspout, 1 lump sum. 101328, fabricated metal roofing accessories, repainted each roll, 27 linear meter. 10132B, fabricated metal roofing accessories, repainted flashings, 26 linear meter. 10132C, fabricated metal roofing accessories, repainted gutter, 52 linear meter. 10133, fabricated metal roofing accessories, repainted metal fascia, 20 each. 10141B2, repainted metal sheets, 35 long span 0.5 meter, 311.1 meter squared. 10271, 7 plaster finish, 98.33 square meters. 10321A, painting works, masonry concrete, 98.33 square meters. 10321C, painting works steel, 121 square meters. 10474B, metal structure accessories, turnbuckle, 8 each. 10475B, metal structure accessories, bolts and rods, 11.84 kilograms. 10475B, metal structure accessories, sagrats, 28.05 kilograms. 10475C, metal structure accessories, cross bracing and strap lacing, 113.64 kilograms. 10475B, metal structure accessories, steel plates, 6 kilograms. 10478A, structural steel plates, trusses, girts, frames, and clip, 240.7 kilograms. 10478B, structural steel purlins, 640.06 kilograms. Type ko rin yung ano mo sa 475B. Part B, electrical works, 10010, conduit, boxes and fittings, 1 lump sum. 11013, 3 wires and devices, 1 lump sum. 11011, panel board with main and branch breakers, 1 lump sum. Lighting, 11031, lighting fixtures and lamps, 1 lump sum. And minimum equipment requirements, plate compactor 1, bagger mixer 1, concrete permeator 1, cutting outfit 1, hand drilling machine 1, tile cutter machine 1, portable welding machine 1, welding machine 1, chain block and boom and accessories 1. And so this is the location of the project. Supply board, there's the perspective design, and the site of the project, site development plan, and it's called elevation. Part of scope is site E to B. Nasa existing columns which is 6 kabuok. Dito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and construct of new column direct, pero hindi pa siya butangan sa roofings and trusses kay hindi pa umabot sa budget. Kaya lang sa from E to B side. Naka siya existing roofings pero naguba sa atin ba? sa likod nga part. So, una lang itong likod nga part, nanay pustidaan, then butangan ang pusti new nga column para kabutangan tungod ang part of the is that's the 2D and C2D. Front elevation, front and rear elevation. Muna existing dito sa San Isidro. Kanila nga part ang naay roofings. Ang kanila wala na. Ang part of scope sa E2D and C2D sa roofing. And then, ay additional columns from A to B. Pero, wala pa siya roofing sa trusses. Foundation plan. Existing columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also additional 1, 2 columns. Here and here. And now siya existing pavement from start. Details as 0.1, 1.5 meters, and with that. So footing is 400, and the footing is 1.5 and 1.5. Details on standards. Meron siya existing dirt and trusses o banded. Mag-add lang o mag-add lang o ng perlits din na kita mo. Kailangan siya trusses na bilhin mo sa pag-view. So wala na siya si perlits, mag-add lang ng perlits din. Sa likod, sa front na part of store, kailangan siya existing sa payment plan. Details sa steel plate connection, beacon of blur, typical purlins and elevations and subruns, typical plan designed by architect and mechanical engineers, and still typical designs sa roofing fixer, flashings, and GI sheet connections, J-bolts, spacing, roof panel, side gap detail, and cross spacing. All of these are typical designs from our respective architects and structural engineers. And then siya electrical, included 4 or 6 lamps mabutang sa from C to E, side C to E. Katong wala pa yato, ma'am, dili pa ka natawag na sugat. Ito naman sa side E, ay sa C to E. Nariyan dito sa lamps. So, dari mo na ito. Cluster na siya mag-tendable. Number 1 is siya mo. 1. Lahat sa tapos number 2 lang. So, So number 2 of the clusters sa San Antonio sa Bayan Bohol. Project name, completion of multi-purpose building sa Bayan Bohol. Number 2 sa Barangay San Antonio sa Bayan Bohol. Location San Antonio sa Bayan Bohol. Appropriation 1 million. Approved budget cost 990,000. Project duration 84 CB. Number of predetermined unworkable days 11 CB. Part 2, other general requirements, B.31, permits and expenses, 1 lump sum. B.51, project billboard, signboard, 1 each. B.71, occupational safety and health, 1 lump sum. B.91 mobilization, one lump sum. Part 3, civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary plumbing works. Part A, earthworks, 8011, removal of structures and obstruction, 1 lump sum. 8031A, structure excavation, 6.75 cubic meter. 8041A, embankment from structure excavation, 4.67 cubic meter. 8047, gravel pit, 145 cubic meter. Part B, plain and reinforced concrete works, 9001I, structural concrete class A 28 base, 5.65 cubic meter. 9021A1, reinforcing steel reform, grade 40, 1094.67 kilograms. 9032, formworks and falseworks, 23.1 square meters. Part C, finishing and other civil works, 10133, fabricated metal roofing accessories, pre-painted ridge roll, 18 lumps linear meter. 10132B, fabricated roofing metal accessories, pre-painted flashings, 36 linear meter. 10132C, fabricated metal roofing accessories, pre-painted metal fascia, 14 inch. 10141B2, pre-painted metal sheets, ring type, long span 0.5 mm thick, 236.25 square meters. 10271, cement plaster finish, 98.23, this is supposed to be square meters. 10321A, painting works, masonry and concrete, 98.33 square meters. 10321C, painter works, steel, 175.81 square meters. 10474B, metal structure accessories, turnbuckle, 8 each. 10321B, metal structure accessories, bolts and rods, 11.84 kilograms. 10475B, metal structure accessories, rods, 8.05 square meters. 10475C, metal structure accessories, crossways and subleaves, 258.77 square meters. 10475D, metal structure accessories, steel plates, 71 kilograms. 1048D, structural steel, trusses, girds, frames, and clips, 1753.07 kilograms. 10478B, structural steel purlins, 607.23 kilograms. Part D, electrical works, 10010 conduit boxes and fittings, 1 lump sum. Type po siya kung nakatriya siya, 11013, wires and wiring devices, 1 lump sum. 11021, panel board, building and branch breakers, 1 lump sum. 11031, lighting fixtures and lamps, 1 lump sum. And minimum equipment requirements, plating factor 1, 1 bagger mixer 1, concrete vibrator 1, cutting outfit 1, hand drilling machine 1, tile cutter machine 1, portable welding machine 1, welding machine 1, chain block with boom and accessories 1. And so this is the perspective of the project. Actually, coordinates and feeling, and the location. Let's proceed na lang sa elevations and floor plans. Siya existing columns ng kabuok. 1, 2, 3, wala na yung kabuok. Existing columns ng kabuok. And parts of scope is side B to A. New columns do kabuok nila. And then new trusses and roofing, side B to A. And then this is the floor plan, B to A. scope, the front and rear elevation, and then roof plan. Naka siya existing roofs na dili lang complete sa center, pero i-apply lang siya sa scope na to. So, from A to B, then I like parts sa B to C roofing. Longitudinal section, existing na sa center, not part of scope from the web, only A to B. And girth niya mag-add to the girth from A to B. Cross section, and foundation plan is yun na siya existing column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then A to B ang katawang baka yung column. Ang details C1 F1 typical design ng siya 1.5 1.5 by 1.5 down, and 1.4 sa footing, and then details sa strap kaya mag-atag strap i-continue na ito sa nasa previous na plano nila, existing design, mag-add ito ng girth, and then one sa katas. Okay, kumari ang contrast detail, mag-add na itong steel plate sa truss, sa taas ng lubos. Okay. And kumari ang contrast detail and details sa girth, steel plate connections, sub-truss, seeing the concept of this project, typical designs, roofing fixers, flashing, connections, GI sheet, cross bracing, J spacing, and roof panel sa tail. And naano siya ay upat ka suga mahal na ito. Mura na kaya sa bagi. Upat na sila. Ito katong mga sa katong lahi ito na butawan sa itong ito. So, that's it for the number 2.
As previously discussed, these are the projects included in the Sabayan cluster. Completion of multi-purpose buildings, Sabayan Bohol worth 10 million, and approved budget cost of 9,900,000. So project name for the third barangay, completion of multi-purpose buildings, Sabayan Bohol. 3, Barangay Kagawasan, Sabayan Bohol, location Kagawasan, Sabayan Bohol, appropriation of 1 million, approved budget cost of 990,000, project duration 84 calendar days, number of predetermined and workable days, 11 calendar days. Scope of works, Part 2 other general requirements, B.31 permits and clearances, 1 lump sum, B.51 project billboard or signboard, 1 each, B.71 occupational safety and health, 1 lump sum, B.91 mobilization or demobilization, 1 lump sum. Part 3 civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary or plumbing works. Part A earthworks, 8031A structure excavation, common soil 10.72 cubic meter. 8041A embankment from structure excavation, common soil 7.45 cubic meter. 8047 gravel hill 0.61 cubic meter. Part B, plain and reinforced concrete work, 901I, structural concrete class A 28 days, 6.8 cubic meter. 902 1A1 reinforcing steel deformed, grade 40, 1,449.5 kilograms. 903 2 formworks and falseworks, 32.36 square meters. Part C, finishings and other civil works, 1013-3, fabricated metal roofing accessory, plain GI sheet, gauge 26 11 inch. 1014-1B2, pre-painted metal sheets, big type, long span, 0.5 mm thick, 216 square meters. 1032-1A, painting works, masonry or concrete, 27.8 square meters. 1032-1C, painting works for steel, 183.79 square meters. 1047-4B, metal structure accessories, turnbuckle, 8 each. 1047-5A, metal structure accessories, bolts and rods, 7.89 kilograms. 1047-5B, metal structure accessories, sub-rods, 33.45 kilograms. 1047-5C, metal structure accessories, cross bracing, 85.23 kilograms. 1047-5D, metal structure accessories, steel plates, 265.84 kilograms. 1047-8A, structural steel trusses, 1,968.12 kilograms. 1047-8B, structural steel purlins, 548.02 kilograms. Part D, electrical works, 1110, conduit boxes and fittings, conduit works or conduit rough-in, 1 lump sum. 110133, wires and wiring devices, 1 lump sum. 11021, panel board with main and branch breakers, 1 lump sum. 11031, lighting fixtures, 1 lump sum. Minimum equipment requirement, plate compactor 1, 1 dagger mixer 1, concrete vibrator 1, bar cutter 1, bar bender 1, hand drilling machine 2, cutting outfit 1, welding machine 1, portable welding machine 1, clean block with boot accessories 1. So this is the existing site at Barangay Gabawasan, Sanbayan, Bohol. There are 4 existing columns and half of the building frame. So part of the scope is this area of 12 by 17 square meters, part together with the damaged roofing. And then there are existing footings and columns. We will be adding 2 footings and columns, C1 and F1 at grade D, and roofing together with its metal accessories, that 1 set of girth 1, 2 sets of girth 2, and there's 1 set of truss 1, together with the purlin, sub-rods, and the turnbuckle. There's also 1 set of girth 3 included in the part of scope. And as for the electrical, there are 4 units of the lighting fixtures. For project name, completion of multi-purpose buildings at Bayan Bohol, for Barangay Tanmaya Centro at Bayan Bohol. Location, Tanmaya Centro at Bayan Bohol, appropriation of 1 million, approved budget cost of 990,000, project duration of 84 calendar days, number of predetermined and workable days, 11 calendar days. Scope of works, B.31, permits and clearances, 1 lump sum. B.51, project billboard or signboard, 1 each. B.71, occupational safety and health, 1 lump sum. B.91, mobilization or demobilization, 1 lump sum. Part 3, civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary or plumbing works. Part A, 8011, removal of structures and obstruction, 1 lump sum. 8031A, structure excavation, common soil, 13.5 cubic meter. 8041A, embankment from structure excavation, common soil, 10.04 cubic meter. 8047, gravel fill, 0.9 cubic meter. Part B, plain and reinforced concrete work. 901I, structural concrete, class A 28 days, 10.19 cubic meter. 902,181, reinforcing steel deformed grade 40, 1,894.61 kilograms. 903,2, formworks and false work, 68.04 square meters. 1032,1C, painting work, steel, 207.19 square meters. 1047,4B, metal structure accessories, turnbuckle, 8 each. 1047,5A, metal structure accessories, bolts and rods, 24.66 kilograms. 1047,5B, metal structure accessories, sub-rods, 12.95 kilograms. 1047,5C, metal structure accessories, cross bracing, 94.7 kilograms. 1047,5D, metal structure steel plates, 446.5 kilograms. 1047,8A, structural steel trusses, 3,556.06 kilograms. 1047,8B, structural steel purlins, 469.05 kilograms. Minimum equipment requirement: 1 jackhammer, plate compactor 1, 1 bagger mixer 1, concrete vibrator 1, bar cutter 1, bar bender 1, cutting outfit 1, welding machine 1, clean block with boom and accessories 1, portable welding machine 1. So this is the current, the existing site at Kanmaya Centro. So since nangaipo naman tanan na trusses, existing columns na lang ang nabili, we have decided to put a new to use the new design of the MTD. So dili na ni siya ma-use ng existing, but instead we will be providing this MTD. So this is the perspective, and since 1 million naman ang budget, the part of the scope is 4 footings and columns. Then there's 2 roof beams included. And then, dili na ni siya matupan due to kanang gamay lang na budget, but we can provide the girts and the trusses, and then turnbuckle. Tapos, ang purlins na to is only 13 pieces lang, together with its sub-runs. So, let's proceed to the next. Completion of multi-purpose building sa Bayan Bohol. 5. Barangay Santa Cruz sa Bayan Bohol. Location Santa Cruz sa Bayan Bohol. Appropriation of 1 million. Approved budget cost 990,000. Project duration 84 calendar days. Number of predetermined unworkable days 11 calendar days. Scope of works Part 2 B.31. 1 lump sum, B.51, 1 each, B.71, 1 lump sum, B.91, 1 lump sum. Part 3, civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary or plumbing works. Part A, earthworks, 8031A, 6.75 cubic meter, 8041A, 4.31 cubic meter, 8047, gravel field, 0.45 cubic meter. Part B, plain and reinforced concrete work, 901I, 5.46 cubic meter, 902-1A1, 1,031.35 kilograms, 903-2, formworks and false work, 22.46 square meters. Part C, finishings and other civil works, 1013-2B, 22 linear meter, 1013-3, 12 each, 1014-1B2, 140 square meters, 1032-1C, 238.93 square meters, 1047-4B, 8 each, 1047-5A, 7.89 kilograms, 1047-5B, 36.68 kilograms, 1047-5C, 85.23 kilograms, 1047-5D, 383.85 kilograms, 1047-8A, 2,939.2 kilograms, 1047-8B, 599.39 kilograms. Part D, electrical works, 1110, 1 lump sum, 1101, 33, 1 lump sum, 11021, 1 lump sum, 11031, 1 lump sum. Minimum equipment requirement, cutting outfit 1, hand drilling machine 1, portable welding machine 1, welding machine 1, chain block with boom and accessories 1. So this is the existing Same ni siya sa Kanmaya, sa Kagawasan po, half lang po ang mga roofing nila. Some part of it are damaged. So, i-appeal ni siya sa scope, sa work, ang damage na roofing at the end part, together with the flashing po na nila side. And then, also, the other half po sa roofing, bibutangan po ni siya ang roof. And also the trusses, may isa ka truss, then the girts in between, also the turnbuckle and the sub-rods. Tapos, we also added 2 new columns and footings, and also natay girt pod of 10 meters na naan. Also, napoy electrical, but only 2 units of lighting ang na-include ang project. Number 6, project name, completion of multi-purpose building sa Bayan Bohol. 6, Barangay San Vicente Sur, Sagbayan Bohol. Location San Vicente Sur, Sagbayan Bohol. Appropriation of 1 million, approved budget cost 990,000 pesos. Project duration 84 calendar days. Number of predetermined and workable days 11 calendar days. Scope of works, Part 2, other general requirements. B.31, 1 lump sum. B.51, 1 each. B.71, 1 lump sum. B.91, 1 lump sum. Part 3, civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary or plumbing works. Part 8, earthworks, 8011, 1 lump sum. 80318, 13.5 cubic meter. 80418, 10.04 cubic meter. 8047, 0.9 cubic meter. Part B, plain and reinforced concrete work, 901 I, 10.19 cubic meter. 902-1A1, 1,894.61 kilograms. 903-2, 68.04 square meters. Part C, finishings and other civil works, 1032-1C, 207.19 square meters. 1047-4B, 8 each. 1047-5A, 24.66 kilograms. 1047-5B, 12.95 kilograms. 1047-5C, 94.7 kilograms. 1047-5D, 446.5 kilograms. 1047-8A, 3,556.06 kilograms. 1047-8B, 469.05 kilograms. Minimum equipment requirement, jackhammer 1, plate compactor 1, 1 bagger mixer 1, concrete vibrator 1, bar tumbler 1, bar bender 1, cutting outfit 1, welding machine 1, chain block with boom and accessories 1, portable welding machine 1. So this is the current location. Existing site na sa Vicente Source, same yung siya sa Kanmaya Centro. There are 4 existing columns and some OTT na nakakilid na. So we have also decided na dili na po niya siya i-use in existing na mga columns, but instead to construct a newly designed MPD. So this is the same with Kanmaya Centro. So we will be, part of the scope will be 4 footings and columns, 2 roof beams, and duha ka truss, then girts squad included, and 13 purlins, 13 pieces of purlins with its sub-rods. So dili ko ta ka-roofing ani na project ay limited na po ng project. Next, completion of multi-purpose buildings at Bayan Bohol. Number 7, Barangay San Roque at Bayan Bohol. Location San Roque at Bayan Bohol, appropriation of 1 million pesos. Approved budget cost 990,000 pesos. Project duration 84 calendar days. Number of predetermined and workable days 11 calendar days. Scope of works, item number Part 2, other general requirements, B.31, 1 lump sum, B.51, 1 each, B.71, 1 lump sum, B.91, 1 lump sum. Part 3, civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary or plumbing works. Part A, earthworks, 8031A, 6.75 cubic meter. 8041A, 4.31 cubic meter. 8047, 0.45 cubic meter. Part B, plain and reinforced concrete work, 901I, 5.63 cubic meter. 902-1A1, 1,089.03 kilograms. 903-2, 27.11 square meters. Part C, finishings and other civil works, 1013-2A, 9 linear meters. 1041B2, 153.75 square meters. 1032-1C, 285.77 square meters. 1047-4B, 16 each. 1047-5A, 11.84 kilograms. 1047-5B, 53.95 kilograms. 1047-5C, 170.46 kilograms. 1047-5B, 344.51 kilograms. 1047-8A, 3,169.2 kilograms. 1047-8B, 728.41 kilograms. Minimum equipment requirement: plate compactor 1, 1 bagger mixer 1, concrete vibrator 1, bar cutter 1, bar bender 1, cutting outfit 1, hand drilling machine 1, portable welding machine 1, welding machine 1, chain block with boom and accessories 1. This is the existing site. So there are three pairs, 6 pieces of existing footings and columns together with a roofing. So this is the perspective of the project. So part of the scope, we will be adding two sets of footing and columns. Then 2 sets of truss, and also the girth squad and the horizontal struts, turnbuckles, and the subrods with the purlins and roofing for this bay from B to C na grade. Next project. Completion of multi-purpose buildings at Bayan Bohol. Number 8, Barangay Libertad Sur sa Bayan Bohol. Libertad Sur sa Bayan Bohol. Appropriation of 1 million. Approved budget cost 990,000. Project duration 84 calendar days. Number of predetermined and workable days 11 calendar days. Scope of works. Item number Part 2, other general requirements. D.31, 1 lump sum, D.51, 1 each. D.71, 1 lump sum, D.91, 1 lump sum. Part 3, civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary or plumbing works. Part C, finishing and other civil works. 1013-2A, 22 linear meters. 1013-2B, 19 linear meters. 1013-3, 16 each. 1014-1B2, 325.05 square meters. 1032-1C, 284.63 square meters. 1047-4B, 16 each. 1047-5A, 23.68 kilograms. 1047-5B, 49.63 kilograms. 1047-5C, 170.46 kilograms. 1047-5D, 157.32 kilograms. 1047-8A, 2,544.01 kilograms. 1047-8B, 811.18 kilograms. Part B, electrical works, 1110, 1 lump sum, 1101, 33, 1 lump sum. 11021, 1 lump sum. 11031, 1 lump sum. Minimum equipment requirement: hand drilling machine 1, cutting outfit 1, welding machine 1, portable welding machine 1, chain block with boom and accessories 1. This is the existing site. So, tanan na columns and footings are established already na siya existing. We are ang part of scope from previous na is the damaged roofing existing. So that's included. Perspective sa atong project. So part of the scope is repair of the damaged roofing, and then mag-add taw 2 bays of roofing new na roof. So this one. So part of the scope is natay existing na truss sa site to be utilized. And then we will be adding one set of truss, two sets of girth, the horizontal trusses, and then all the purlins and sub-rods and turnbuckle for this kaning grid B to D na roofing, as well as extreme. And also there will be six units of lighting included and in a bracket. Wala kayo prompt. Wala kayo navigation.
Project name, completion of multi-purpose building sa Bayan, Bohol. Number 9, Barangay Kamasakan sa Bayan, Bohol. Location, Kamasakan sa Bayan, Bohol. Appropriation, 1 million. Approved budget cost, 990,000. Project duration, 84 CD. Number of predetermined for unworkable days, 11 CD. So, scope verse. Part 2, general and other general requirements. B.31, permits and clearances, 1 lump sum. B.51, 1 each. B.71, 1 lump sum. B.91, 1 lump sum. Part 3, civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary for plumbing works. Part 8, earthworks, 8011, 1 lump sum. 80318, 6.75 cubic meters. 80418, 4.67 cubic meters. 8047, 1 cubic meter. And part B, laying and reinforced concrete works, 9001I, 5.65 cubic meter. 902181, 1051.91 kilograms. 9032, 25 square meters. And part C, finishing and other civil works, and 10019, downspout, 1 lump sum. 101328, 9 linear meter. 10132B, 26 linear meter. 10132C, 18 inch. 10141B2, 157.5 square meters. 10271, 7 cluster finish, 22.93. 10321A, 22.93 square meters. Square meters niya pa ng 7 cluster. 10321C, 175 square meters. 10474B, 8 each. 10321B, 11.84 kilograms. 10475B, 28.05 square meters. 10475C, 268.12 square meters. 10475D, 73 kilograms. 10478A, 1905.64 kilograms. 10478B, 495.53 kilograms. And part D, electrical works, 110010. Conduit boxes and fittings, 1 lump sum. 101.33 wires and wiring devices, 1 lump sum. 110211, paddleboard with main and branch breakers, 1 lump sum. 11031, lighting fixtures and lamps, 1 lump sum. Minimum equipment requirements, plate compactor 1, 1 bagger mixer 1, concrete vibrator 1, cutting outfit 1, hand drilling machine 1, calculator machine 1, portable welding machine 1, welding machine 1, chain block with boom and accessories 1. And this is the perspective of the project and the location of the project. Barangay Kamasakan, sa Bayan, Bohol. the elevation of the project, na siya existing 6 ka columns. And mag-add lang tayo columns from side B to C. And then add pa tayo sa katras and sa kabi sa set sa roofing or sa B to C. And this is front and rear elevation, typical designs, the existing roof plan. Siya din ang existing poste with roofings, pagkalagay sa kabi. And then the foundation plan, columns and footings, same design, typical 1.5 by 1.5 by 1.5. And then mag-add, mag-continue na ito ang design sa previous sa existing roofing dito na siya yung strut and girth. And napo siya yung fascia frame. Only from side B to C. From A to A and C, wala na siya dapat not part of the scope na siya. And here, the press detail, same designs from the previous. Detail of girth, and detail of string fluid connection, detail of subgrats. And same yung sa previous design, na siya steel plate sa top and bottom sa truss. And the typical designs for roofing fixer, J-bolt spacing, roof panel side up detail, connections to GI sheet, and connections cross bracing. And naano siya unong ka lamps located sa butang siya sa existing part sa project. I mean sa column, itong unong existing columns. Dito na siya yung 6 units sa lamps. And that's for number 9.
So number 10, project name, completion of multi-purpose building Bayan Bohol. Number 10, Barangay Bayan Sur. Bayan Bohol. Bayan Sur, allocation Bayan Sur, Bayan Bohol, appropriation of 1 million, approved budget cost 990,000. Project duration of 84 calendar days, number of predetermined and workable days, 11 calendar days. Scope of works. Part 2, other general requirements, B.31, 1 lump sum, B.51, 1 each, B.71, 1 lump sum, B.91, 1 lump sum. Part 3, civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary or plumbing works. Part 8, earthworks, 8011, 1 lump sum, 80318, 13.5 cubic meter, 80418, 10.04 cubic meter, 8047, 0.9 cubic meter. 900, Part B, plain and reinforced concrete work. 901I, 10.19 cubic meter. 902 1A1, 1,894.61 kilograms. 903-2, 68.04 square meters. Part C, finishings and other civil works. 1032-1C, 207.19 square meters. 1047-4B, 8 each. 1047-5A, 24.66 kilograms. 1047-5B, 12.95 kilograms. 1047-5C, 94.7 kilograms. 1047-5D, 446.5 kilograms. 1047-8A, 3,556.06 kilograms. 1047-8B, 469.05 kilograms. Minimum equipment requirement, jackhammer 1, plate compactor 1, 1 bagger mixer 1. Concrete vibrator 1, bar cutter 1, bar bender 1, cutting outfit 1, welding machine 1, chain block with boom accessories 1, portable welding machine 1. This is the existing site. And same with other two projects, Newcon, Provincial sa bago na design and MPD will not be utilizing the existing columns. So this is the perspective. And we will be making new constructions of 4 columns and footings, 2 roof beams, together with the girts and trusses, and also 13 pieces of purlins and some with some rods. Wala kami siya yung ma'am. Dili na kaagtad o batok ma'am kay kanang 1 million ra ang budget. So, that's not good na ano. So, pwede ka
Okay, close na.
ay nila yung ikit. So, naman 3 ma'am. Yes, ma'am, katong mga na-existing na kanang posterang na remaining, wala na din ba utilize, kaya man din same lang yapon kaya mo pinutanganan. Pero katong mga napay mga trusses o roof framings na nabili, wala din utilize. So, sayang mo kita bon and ra may tagtugni. Dako na lang ang pila ra ka location ba, dako na lang ang budget para maato pa na.
So, contract ID number 24HC0063. Project name, completion of multi-purpose buildings, Barangay LILOAN, INABANGA, Bohol. Location, INABANGA, Bohol. Appropriation, 5 million. Approved budget cost, 4,950,000. Project duration, 128 days, CD. Number of predetermined and workable days, 18 CD. Scope of works, B.31, permits and clearances, 1 lump sum. B.51, project billboard, signboard, one each. B.71, occupational safety and health, 1 lump sum. B.91, mobilization, demobilization, 1 lump sum. Part 3, civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary or plumbing works. Part A, earthworks, 8011, removal of structures and obstructions, 1 lump sum. 80318, structure excavation, 34.74 cubic meter. 8041A, embankment from structure excavation, 20.81 cubic meter. 8047, gravel fill, 2.9 cubic meter. Part B, plain and reinforced concrete works, 9001I, structural concrete class 8 and 8 Ds, 67.32 cubic meter. 9021A1, reinforced steel before grade 40, 5,478.11 kilograms. 9032, formworks and postworks, 64.67 square meters. Part C, finishings and other civil works. 10132A1, fabricated metalworking accessories, repainted ridge road, 36 linear meter. 10141B2, repainted metal sheets, rim type long span 0.5 mm thick, 686.4 square meters. 10271, 7 plaster finish, 4.3 square meters. 10321A, painting works, masonry or concrete, 110.337 square meters. 10321C, painting works, steel, 837 square meters. 10474B, metal structure accessories, third balcony, 48 each. 10475A, metal structure accessories, high tension anchor bolt, 64 kilograms. 10475A, metal structure accessories, sat rods, 119.12 kilograms. 10475C, metal structure accessories, cross bracing, 530.32 kilograms. 10475D, metal structure accessories, steel plates, 1582.56 kilograms. 10478A, structural steel, truss girts, frames and clips, 14,361.17 kilograms. 10478B, structural steel purlins, 2556.96 kilograms. Part D, electrical works, 1101010, conduit boxes and fittings, 1 lump sum. 110133, wires and wiring devices, 1 lump sum. 11021, panel board with main and branch breakers, 1 lump sum. 11031, lighting fixtures and lamps, 1 lump sum. Minimum equipment requirements: plate complete factor 1, 1 bagger mixer 1, concrete dilutor 1, cutting out kit 1, hand drilling machine 1, welding machine 1, chain block and boom accessories 1, jackhammer 1, bar cutter 1, bar bender 1. So, ano yung existing sites sa LILOAN, sir, INABANGA, Bohol. Naalang siya yan, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ka poste na pili. Ano siya ang existing site niya. Yan na siya ang nakatagilid na poste, which is i-utilize na nato na para magamit naman lang. So, this is the design sa project. Cable type siya na design. Ang poste niya is distansya ng poste ay 10 meters. 10 meters is nasa piling. Vicinity map location. And then this is the ground floor plan. Siya existing poste. And i-utilize natin na yung mga existing nga poste. Magamit pa man daw ito. Kung yung front elevation, i-adapt rin siya sa design ng katong naka-arc na mga MPV nga ang distances nila 10 meters. May mo siya gibbon na design pero 10 meters na span sa distance sa poste. And then, pagbutangan doon niya kami sa existing wala siya corbel and sa atong design ito karoon pagbutangan nila o corbel sa tanang poste. So part of scope o whole area ang parts of scope. Na siya dirt, na siya truss. And ito ang roof plan. Parts of scope na and side elevation. Ito ang parts of scope. Na siya yung 5, 6, 7, 8 katras na 7 katras na ito include sa project. And this is the new design of the corbel. Flower type siya ang design. Bali, baka lang nato 1 meter na existing then papuntahan nito ang corbel. Ang tanang poste. Yung walo ka po. This is the foundation plan. Ang mag-construct ito sa new bago nga poste, ka po columns and footings and ang depth kay 1 meter and 1.5 meters na siya. And sa existing, 1.05 lang siya, existing niya. So sa pag-atag typing, sa whole, except sa stage kay gasto naman bakbakan sa part B2C o part stage in the area. So, mga details sa connection from the existing column to the new column. Sa new column, naa siya additional concrete lalam sa typing para lang ma-level siya along with the existing column. Kailangan siya dead silang dua. Existing and new column and footing. Naa siya additional concrete and reinforcing steels. And provide with the structural designs pang pang piping sa existing column, which is this na ano lang posisyon lang sa bars na masa siya ibutang kung sa i-design niya. Mo niya details. Napot siya gamay nga si column and footing pag-support lang sa tie beam kay 10 meters mo diyang span. So na siya from the whole area na siya provided siya itong gamay na column and footing, which is this part. Kada center sa span niya. And then sa framing plan, covered tanan, 1, 2, 6. Nga trusses, nga girts, and along with the subrods, and napod siya instance sa katong strat ng gamiton kay paggamit nila ang girt ng ito na style. Bali na ay tulo ka design sa girt din. For this one and this one. Sa side, sa center, and center sa truss. And ang design na niya is natin ang detail nila sa girt 2, girt 3, and mga details sa girt 1 meter yung kaason sa girt, and sa uban is 550 lang sa uban. So girt 1 ang nakalait, di mo siya 1 meter kay 10 meters man ang span sa column, and napod siya concentrate para sa girt 1 lang. And then typical designs, and naa siya yung lamps kung ka included sa project, and wala siya. That's it.
And for the procurement, remind lang po na ang opening date for these 6 projects will be on April 22, 2024 at 2 p.m. So that's all for the preview conference. And I think you